Man, that's humbling right there, man. To have somebody tell me that's the best meatloaf they had. He waited till I was done recording to tell me that, but I wish I would have got it on camera. You feel me? But hey, successful taste test, baby. And y'all will see the taste test at the end of the video. This is going to be at the beginning. What's up, y'all? It's Truckerslife, and we back, baby. Yeah, ignore this chocolate milk. But, I'm making like meatloaf sliders tonight. If you never watched my videos, go back to my meatball pasta. The first, I think it's 5 minutes, is this recipe. Same thing. It's actually the leftovers from that meatball pasta. I'm turning it into a slider tonight. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these buttered sliders from Pepperidge Farms. Easy dish tonight. I'm exhausted. I gotta be up early, so I can't do too much. Feel me? Like, we're gonna layer them down like that. Put that right there. We gotta layer it all the way around. Hey, and if y'all checking me out, hey, go hit up my boy Noble from the Nina. That's somebody I grew up with. That's one of my closest friends. We're actually talking about coming up with an intro song for the channel. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow, like I told y'all. We're growing little by little. I think in the last week I've gotten another, like 30-something subscribers in the last week. They got impressed with my creativity. This is something simple, so I know this ain't the creative thing, but it is what it is. I'm doing my best, you know what I mean? But hey, like I said in not my last video, but the video before, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start doing requests. I haven't posted on my TikTok because I ain't got no feedback. If you guys can't leave questions in the comments, hit up my Instagram at Truckerslife78. You'll see my face. I think I have my daughter in my picture. Or hit up my Twitter at Truckerslife78 as well. But hey, we're doing what we're doing. This is a thin meatloaf. It's thinner than I prefer, but that's what I have left over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause y'all, and I'm gonna grab my cheese real quick. Okay, y'all, we got the meatloaf on. Of course, I got some splatters all over. Because you can't let this flavor go to waste. But I'm not trying to get the glob with that. I just want the juice. I don't want it to dry out. There we go. That's better. Meatball sliders, y'all. And like I said last night, if you're in Phoenix, Arizona, you're missing out because you never messaged me. Takes me, of course, the creamy melt cheese, mozzarella. So this is all they had at the Walmart out here when I went the other day. You just crumble it up and spread it on top. I'm doing it a little early today. It's only 3:30 because I gotta call my baby before I go to bed. My baby, my daughters, is what I mean. I'm single still. I want a cheese pull when I pull these bitches apart, though. Whoa, almost dropped a piece of cheese. Good thing my hands are quick, huh? And today we're gonna use Sweet Baby Ray's. The Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue. I know it's kind of, but you can see right there it says honey barbecue Sweet Baby Ray's. That's what happens when you're driving around and you're bouncing all over the place. You kind of lose a lot of your labels. Sprinkle it on top. Drizzle it, I should say, not sprinkle. Ooh, I didn't want that on my shorts. Good thing I caught it. And then we're gonna put this in here at 350. Okay. It's at 300 because that's what I cook my meat below fat so it don't burn, but it gets nice and tender. And I know y'all see all this bread right here. These are just the tops for those. Because I'm gonna take them out individually after I after I cut them, and we're gonna be ready to go. But I'll holler at y'all when I get back. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. If y'all want to help support the channel, hit the Cash App, $ Truckerslife 78. I'm always needing that. You feel me? Like right now, this is why I'm doing stuff like this, the simple stuff, because I can't afford to do what I used to do. I got a lot of things I want to do up here, but I can't afford to do it. So if y'all want to help support the channel and show these truckers that are the cornerstone of this country, any store you go to, we delivered that shit. But alright, y'all, we back. We got the Cowboys knife. You feel me? Cowboys all day. Fuck the rest. But hey, we are done with dinner tonight. We got the Meatloaf Sliders right here. I'm just cutting them up. And y'all stay tuned because we're going to have some updates real soon. I'm talking to a couple of my boys that do music about making some music for the channel. Go. Take them out just like this. Ooh, these are cheesy. Watch this cheese pull. Watch this cheese pull. Oh, that's too hot to handle. Sorry, y'all. Three Meatloaf Sliders. And we're not done here. We're going to put a little bit of cheese on top of them just to kind of sweeten the pot. Oh, sorry. sorry, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Move it over here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Just a little bit of cheese on top. Shout out to my homies Noble from the Nina, my homie Money Boy Vicious, man. They about to hook up the channel, I'm telling y'all right now. We got some updates coming soon. These are actual people I grew up with, I've known for years. And when I say years, I mean high school, junior high. These are homies from that time. We're gonna make one more tray of these. Of course, I kept me some for me to eat. I'm just cutting them right now, just to slice them, just to get them sliced out. Put it up here so y'all can see. Ooh, that cheese stuck to the side right there. Okay. Hot. This one right here. And I left meat 3 for my dinner tonight because I ain't giving all my food away. And today I'm not going inside because I'm still at the same truck stop. And I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful, but I didn't like the way that lady did it last night. She would not let me control my own phone, my own camera. I posted it because it was a taste test. If it was anything else, I wouldn't have posted it. So we're gonna put that back in, let that cheese melt on top, put it on bake, put it on 350, and start. Okay. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's real. Oh, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. Y'all know I don't do garbage food. But hey, this Trucker's Life and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we took them out. They're hot as hell. Like, seriously hot. And what we're gonna do, take some more of this barbecue sauce and drizzle just a little bit on top. And then we're gonna put it back in and let that candy up a little bit. Add a little bit more flavor to all through it. No, I didn't plan this. You guys know I improv as I do it. But we'll be back.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, we got another taste test tonight, y'all. Let's see how they think. That cheese pull is magnificent, ain't it?
Yeah, it smells good. You got another one?
I don't think I got less than what's left in my truck for me to eat.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really good. Really good.
But this is how I cook. Well, for the most part.
Yeah.
Every night.
Why not?
The meatloaf is from scratch. It's Wagyu ground beef and ground pork.
Yeah, man.
But hey,
Thank you.
no problem, man. You guys have a good one.
You too, man.
My YouTube channel is Truck Cooking with Truckerslife.
Okay. We're gonna get on right now. All right, man.
Yeah, man. You guys have a good one. I actually, if you go look at it, I made Philly cheesesteak egg rolls 2 days ago.
Sorry.
Hey, ain't no problem. I love it, and my viewers like it too. They like seeing.
That's cool.
Because what I do is, like I said, I give other truck drivers free taste tests. Because we all out here together, you know what I mean? And what's the best way to lift morale?
Yeah.
Good food.
Get some food.
Good food that makes you forget where we're at.
Yeah.
I've been doing it for 7 years. I don't know how long y'all been doing it.
30.
Damn. Okay, well, they've been doing this a lot longer than me. But
I just pick them up. That's my cousin.
oh, okay.
Yeah. I live here, so when he comes down, I pick him up. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cali.
I'm from Cali too. I'm from LA. My kids live in Merced. Hey, we found a 209 native.
Yeah.
209, baby. But hey, you guys enjoy your meals. You guys have a good night. You too. I think that was successful, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know.